Ang globalization ngayon is not a desire. It's already a need. If you don't liaise and talk to other countries, if you don't partner and foster relationship with other countries, mas lalo kang may iwan. At bilang presidente, kung payagang mong maiwan ang Pilipinas, nako, talaga namang magagalit si Juan at si Maria de la Cruz sa'yo. So I believe maybe it was a joke out of the former president's mouth, or if he was serious, maybe it's a political statement. And I think politics should be left behind for the moment kasi mas marami tayong problema at mas marami tayong challenges post-pandemic. Alam nyo, madali kasing magbintang at mahirap na palaging sumasagot yung nakasabak sa trabaho. Let's put the situation na dalawang parte. Itong isa, syempre, walang ginagawa. Itong isa naman, napaka-busy kasi incumbent ka, ikot ka, meeting right and left, lahat ng problema, sasagutin mo. So, on one side, you will have all the time to criticize the current administration. On the other side naman, itong mga administrasyon, kesa nagugulin mo or ubusin mo yung panahon mo para sagutin ito, mas gugustuhin mo magtrabaho na magtrabaho. So the way things are going, hindi ba mas maganda para sa ating mga Pilipino na yung ating mga leaders ay suportahan ang bawat isa? Because when we hit government, when we keep on criticizing government without putting forward the proper solutions, ang babagsak niyan hindi yung presidente, kundi ang taong bayan.